What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the laptop that I will be using for my online classes. So for my online classes, I will be using this MacBook Pro 13-inch, which is the 2020 model. So here is the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. So at the back of the box, we can see the specifications. Here are the four sides. There. Okay. So this MacBook Pro retails for around 75,000 Philippine pesos as of right now, which is about 1,500 US dollars here in the Philippines. But this is the model with 256 gigabyte storage. But let's now open the box. Okay, there we go. So let's first take the plastic off. But here is the actual box. Let's now open it. Ooh. That's the thing about Apple products, they just open perfectly. Look at that. Okay, so today we got the space gray color. Let's now take it out. Okay, so on top of the package we have the space gray 256 gigabyte MacBook Pro. But let's first set this aside and see what else we have in the box. Over here we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Over here we have the this envelope over here. Inside we have the instruction manual. We actually have two instruction manuals, but they are in different languages. One of them is in Chinese, I guess. And right over here at the bottom, we have more documentation, which again comes in two different languages, in English, and I believe this looks like Chinese or something. We have the Apple stickers, just like you get when you buy any other Apple products. And finally, we have the it actually says Apple Malaysia, so this is actually the Malaysian version. I don't know why it's the Malaysian version, even though we bought it here in the Philippines. But here is the service card. And finally, here is the power brick. So we have, you see it's over here. But let's first take out the wrapper. Okay. Now, for some reason, this laptop came with a UK power brick. I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to buy an adapter for this. So here it is. And here is the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. So let's now take it off. So here it is. But let's now open the laptop. So there's nothing left in the box. But before I take off the wrapper, let's first talk about the specs. So this is the 13-inch 2020 model MacBook Pro, and we got it in the space gray color. So it comes with two Thunderbolt outlets. It also has an Intel Iris Plus 645 for the graphics. It has a 256 gigabyte SSD. It has 8 gigs of RAM, and the type of RAM that they use is the LPDDR3 type of RAM. The CPU is a 1.4 gigahertz quad core, which is the 8th generation, and they use a Retina display with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. But let's now take off the wrapper. That feels so good. Okay, so let's now open it. Okay, so let's take this off. So as you can see, the thing about this laptop is when you open it, it boots up by itself. But let's just wait for it to boot up. Okay, so you can pick up different languages. So I will just set up this laptop, then I will come back to you guys.
To use English as the main language.
Okay guys, so we are now done setting up the laptop. And we are now done with all the updates. But anyway guys, that's going to be it for this video guys. Don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.